What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today, we're on Cruiser's 34 GLS. This is their entry-level model into the GLS series. This is a great pleasure boat, entertainment boat, day boat. If you want to go to the sandbar or anything entertaining-wise, this is a great American-made yacht. So today we're starting up on the front of the boat where it's a nice little entertainment area here. You have access to your windlass up in the front here when you're pulling up to the sandbar or when you want to stop and anchor up at a nice spot. You could fit 4 to 5 people, I'd say, around this front area here. Plenty of cup holders on both sides, as well as some speakers up here and a nice radio control system right here. You also have a mount for a table here, so you can mount your table, have everyone sitting and hanging out up here. You have a nice little touch underneath this seat here. You have storage for a Yeti cooler, so you can put your drinks right up here and everyone can just hang out up in the front of the boat. Also a nice little tucked away cup holder right here. Nice little touch by Cruiser's Yachts. We're gonna work our way into the helm area next. You can see that this boat's equipped with dual Simrad electronics. You have all your switches, your radio, your VHF radio underneath that, your joystick control system here, which is super nice when you're pulling up to the dock. Yes, it is worth the hype. This control, joystick control, works amazing. You have your throttles over here, as well as easy access to your trim tabs, 2 cup holders, and a nice wireless charger for your cell phone. Now we're gonna work our way down into the berth of the boat. So this door slides right open. We have a very nicely finished wood table here. Nice TV, some more speakers down here. This is another great entertaining area on the boat. Maybe you guys wanna get out of the sun, get in the AC. You have everything you need down here. You have a microwave right behind me. You have a fridge freezer combo right here. Nice table. You have your bathroom right here, which this is actually a wet head. So if you want to shower off after swimming in the water, great place to do it. Or if you just need to freshen up, perfect area for that. Now we're gonna work our way through the cockpit of the boat. What's really nice about these Cruiser's yachts is there's not a lack of storage. You don't have to worry about having to leave anything at home or not having enough room for some stuff you want to leave on the boat. Underneath all the seats in the cockpit area, you have some sort of storage. Also, plenty of cup holders throughout the boat. Never have to worry about leaving your drink on the deck of the boat somewhere and not having a place for it, having to worry about it getting spilled. There's a nice refrigerator underneath the helm seat, as well as 2 mounts back here for tables in the cockpit area. Another nice entertaining area, plenty of seating for people. This is actually a lounger that can be adjustable. So whether you're facing forward, you're driving, or once you're anchored up at the sandbar, wherever you're gonna anchor up, there's a nice entertaining area here. Plenty of cup holders, grab handles. I'll show you another example of the nice storage on these boats. You can see we have some stuff down here, some life jackets. On the port side, you have your entertaining center here. You have a grill, your sink, another fridge freezer combo, as well as your trash can. This is great for those guys or girls who love to entertain and cook for their guests. You have everything right here. You can have your meat and vegetables, whatever you're gonna cook in this fridge, and then have your grill right here to cook it, and your trash can all in the same spot, throw it out. Now coming to the back of the boat here, you have this really nice sunshade above our head that's gonna stick out to about here. So yes, the people in the back of the boat will have their shade. You also have another radio control over here on the starboard side. So if everyone's hanging out in the back of the boat, maybe your kids are swimming, you're at the sandbar, everyone's in the water off the transom of the boat here. You don't have to go all the way back up to the helm to change the song that you're on, or adjust the volume of the radio. On the port side, you have this nice sprayer. So as the kids get back onto the boat, or whoever was maybe at the sandbar, you can spray off their feet. Make sure you keep all the sand off the boat. Nice little touch by cruisers. And this boat's also equipped with the new 400 V10 Mercury outboards. These have been great engines. Performance is unmatched. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough video today on Cruiser's 34 GLS.